Hello children, welcome to our channel Acing Learners, the world of e-learning. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. So let's learn the daily life lessons in an interesting and engaging way through our videos.
So let's do something new today. And yes, we are here to learn a new topic, requests and apologies. So let's learn about requests and apologies. Let's begin by knowing what is a request. So kids, do you know what is a request? Request is the way of asking something to someone in a polite manner. So, when we need to ask something to someone, we should always request them. This is a polite way of asking any kind of question or requesting anybody. While studying about requests, we should always remember some rules which are very important. So, let's read out some rules. We use could you and would you as polite ways of telling or asking someone to do something. So, could you and would you are two things that are very important when we need to request someone. So, let's look at some examples. Could you take a message, please? Would you carry this for me, please? Can and will are also the words which are used to request, but they are considered as less polite. So, let's see some examples. Can you take a message, please? Will you carry this for me, please? So, what we see? The word please is used at the end of every sentence, which is very important to request. So, please is the first word of request which we have learnt today. Now, let's see how can we use the word please when we are requesting. So, we see in this image that a friend is requesting for an ice cream to another friend. So, when I want something, I will try to say please. Like, let's see the girl. What is she saying? Can you please share an ice cream with me? Or let's see if the boy has to ask, please can you share this ice cream with me? So, can you see this? Both the friends can use the word please. Please is such a pleasing word that we use while requesting for something. Let's see some other words or other sentences which we can use to make a polite request. Can I borrow your phone? This is a simple question, but how can we make it more polite? By adding the word please at the end. Can I borrow your phone, please? Brush your teeth. Let's add a more polite way to say this. Please brush your teeth. How to use the word may while requesting. Along with please or can, could, we should also use the word may. So let's see some examples. May I have a lollipop, please? Sure, here you go. Thank you. So, what do we learn from this dialogue? We learn that whenever we are requesting something to someone and when the person accepts your request, you should always say thank you at the end of the conversation. So, what shall we say? We should say thank you. Let's see some more examples. May I play in the sandbox? May I borrow your pencil? Some more examples are, may I open the door? May I have another cup, please? So, these are the different sentences or examples in which we can use the word may. Like if you have to ask something to your teacher during the class, you always use the word may. I think you can relate this to your life as well, isn't it? Let's see the pillars of politeness. Children, we should always be polite to others. For that, we should know the pillars of politeness. These are, let's begin from the first. Please, sorry, excuse me, thank you. So these are the four pillars of politeness. To be polite, we should always remember the four golden words, which are please, sorry, excuse me, and thank you. Now, after this, we should always know how to apologize. So, do you know what is the meaning of apology? Apology is a term which means to say sorry. So, if you have done something wrong or hurt someone, you should apologize. Let's learn from these sentences how to make and accept an apology. So, if you have done wrong, what should you do? You should make an apology. Let's see some examples or ways to make it. Excuse me for, I apologize for, I beg your pardon, pardon, sorry, I do apologize for, I must apologize for, I shouldn't have. So these are some examples how to make an apology or the ways of starting to make an apology. Now, if somebody has done wrong with you or has done any mistake, you should always learn how to accept anybody's apology. So how shall you accept? Let's learn from these simple sentences. That's all right. Never mind. Don't apologize. It doesn't matter. Don't mention it or forget about it. So, did you see? It's such a simple way to accept and make an apology. So, children, never think of a second thought or never give a second thought while making or accepting an apology. Always remember the four pillars of politeness, how to make a request as well as how to apologize. So this is all for today's video. I hope you liked the ways of how to accept apology or how to apologize to anybody as well as how to request something to someone. See you in the next video. Thank you all of you.